Welcome back to THATHA TV. Please go back and check our first video for this series as a brief before you watch this one. But I'm back, no Prof Koramanje. Prof Uleti, I'm blown away. The other thing I want us to talk about is tell us an update Amaboys that people have expected. Because Ipogisi, they were not expecting Ipogisi at all. It's a surprise. Namit was a surprise. You just dropped the bombshell. What is the latest on Amaboys austhembise on?
Hayi ngangishilo sanibonani babukeli sanibonani bracket B njengoba siqhubeka bracket B indaba ithi Amaboys sekafikile Amaboys abuye ngenkani Amaboys aya sebenza bracket B ay jenanyalo ngibonga lo noma ngibonga laba asebathe prof ngoba nge-15 from this month ku-October ayaqala Amaboys ayenza isimanga
15 uyarelease Amaboys
ngiyarelease 15 ngiyarelease so basesizwana ngisho ukhumbula ukuthi le language bengisadownloada le live lakhona ngoba hey zibuyile kona kakhulu but into emnandi ukuthi no sesiya communicator 15 they are ready to start doing imanga.
Okay. Azohlukana kanjani nala aswajwayele thina like
ahluka ngokuthi bracket B lawa ayenza into manje ayenza into ukuthi manje mawusuka nawo ukhuluma nawo mawufika ekhaya kusasa aqala asebenza mawusuka nawo la ekhaya asebenza awathathele kude njengoba ngithi bengisadownload amalimi noma bengisawafeed amalimi Sitswana Sipulana Sishangani Northern Sotho nje ngimixa amavenda ngimixa konke maZulu Sishangani ngimixile nje all languages so manje mosuka la akusana ukuthi soyohlangana si connectele or madoda kale kupho uthini manje lo yeah manje lapha bakhuluma noma iliphi language mawufika Thokozani Makhosi kinama mama thokoza ngwanakhe ziyalima zithi
yakha so masikhuluma ngama dangers alam
njengoba ashesha nokukwata ayashesha nokulimaza ayashesha so angifuni ukuqambela amanga bracket B uke uze ukuthi lawa la ekhaya ukuhluka kwawo ukuthi lawa la ekhaya awayindlisi lawa bracket B awadlali 13 and ashaya kwasana akunesikhala yafaka
okay
mangikhaza ukuthi la kunesikhala yafaka so angifuni umuntu athi ngoba hamba i2 bracket B manje wayasha wayenzela iphutha ashaya zwa
okay
ayinabungozi yona uzobekezela ngoba ufuna imali.
Okay. All right. In the past, there were issues with Amaboys. The biggest problem was connecting. That's why they ended up babalega Amaboys abuye ekhaya. Amaboys ahambile. Amaboys ahambile. What is different with these ones? Like what will make them connect more or stay longer nami without cause it used to take up to, for some people I know cases where people took up to 6 months just in jail would eventually have in a relationship. How different will these guys be?
The different, remember those ones bebangashayi. These ones very
okay. So in terms of connecting to me, fanele bangashayi.
Hey bracket B.
No, I just want to know what like the relationship building.
Othi ngifuna imali mina bracket B anginankinga nokuthi kwenzakalani lama boys ashesha kanjalo kona vele ashaya wadlala
okay hey okay all right okay
and futhi remember two other lawa alayikhaya enjoy leswajwayele took times because of the language problem wona akhuluma lelimi engilikhulumayo wena ukhuluma iSpedi wena ukhuluma isiVenda so niyalahlekelana wena ukhuluma iSitswana niyalahlekelana so lawa already
are
trained to speak any language.
All right, so I've got questions from two people that have Amaboys akudala. Bafuna ukwazi ukuthi can they return them, take the new ones, and if that is the case, do they have to pay or do they get a discount? 999.
No, because this one are too expensive. What I will do for cause of nginobubele and ngineqiniso, they will add 20% on the top on the deposit that they have paid for previous boys.
Oh, okay. All right. How much am I gonna pay manzo THATHA Amaboys?
You're going to pay 125.
Is that a deposit or total amount?
Deposit.
As a deposit.
Total amount is 250.
Okay, 125. Can we rent the new boys?
You can rent them if you have 250.
For how
That's
long?
permanent. Only 3 months.
3 months. Okay, so that's not a deposit. That is
You pay full amount.
250 for 3 months. Okay.
If you want to extend another 250.
Mangwa rentile, will they still chow me?
They won't chow you.
Okay.
It's not yours.
Okay.
They will chow you if you own them.
Okay. Okay. All right, gay. Siyabonga, bro.
Thank you, sir.